as I'm sure you know, Eric Yuan, the CEO of Zoom, he built WebEx from the ground up, and then he sold it to Cisco, and he started Zoom as WebEx 2.0 to say, hey, now that I built this from scratch, I've learned what to do better. Here's version 2. Honestly, that's what all of us are trying to do in all of our organizations. Hey, we understand how version 1 works. It was great, but let's see if we can build a version 2 that just does a little better and redefines the way in which it actually operates while still having the same core use, right? WebEx and Zoom do the same thing.
Yes.
You get right down to it, but hopefully it does it in a better way. And I guess, on your side, right, with the bank, that's what you're trying to do, right? Banking, I don't believe is about to change anytime soon in terms of the core feature. I honestly don't buy the story when people say, yeah, banks are going to disappear. I don't believe that. I do think that the way in which banks operate and how they interact with their customers is going to change pretty radically.
Yeah, definitely. I think what will change is a way to execute some orders or to give access to the client about some products in a better way. Like we try to do the same thing, not physically, but digitally right now. Is where we try to make the banking invisible as well. And the other thing is how we can integrate the technology of the bank, how we can integrate the process and workflow of the bank behind the scene of an application like Deliveroo, Uber, Grab, or Foodpanda. So for you, it's really easy to use the application. It's really easy to make the payment, and you don't care about how the payment is made and how we split the money between the software or the companies that you're using, the restaurant, the driver. It's what we try to do because we still need to collect the money for those companies. We still need to distribute the money for those people working for the company, and we still need to offer different products for them as well.
Yeah, that's a really interesting point. There's obviously bank as front-end consumer-facing platform, and then there's bank that empowers other platforms. Do you have a specific focus, or you're doing both?
For DBS, no, we are looking at invisible banking, so we still need to have a branding in terms of high net worth individuals. So that's the segment that DBS has now. So we're not mass market compared to other banks like HSBC or Hong Kong, but we try to deliver the best services for high net worth individual, SME and corporate, because DBS has worked since 2012 on the migration from the traditional and legacy on tech side to API. So now we have more than 200 APIs live in Hong Kong. For the group is more than 500 APIs. So we try to connect with the different partners to see how we can deliver all those services through APIs directly to them. So we try to embed ourselves where to do deals, transact with clients, or generate leads.
Very exciting.
Yeah, exciting.